Welcome to Hyperspeed Media YouTube channel.
Introduce yourself and your Instagram handle.
My name is Matt, and my Instagram is matt_unos_, and this is my 1991 Unos Roadster V Special. Yep, yeah, it's a Unos Roadster right-hand drive. It came overseas in 2016 into North Carolina from Japan. I don't know exactly where in Japan it came from.
You actually bought it when it was already...
No, yeah, I bought it through a private seller here. I bought it in Virginia. Gotcha. So, yep. So basically, this car was pretty much bone stock when I bought it. You know, stock 1.6 liter. And over time, I've been building this engine. So it's a forged bottom end. It's got Supertech pistons in it. Stock 99 head. We're running the Kraken manifold and Garrett GT2560R setup. And yeah, just pretty much going through the simple breakdown.
Top mount.
Yep, yeah, Kraken top mount.
What brand?
Manly rods and Supertech pistons. They're 8:1 compression ratio. Waistco wing.
What bearings do you use?
What were they called? ACL or something like that? Yeah, ACL race bearings. That's just what the shop used. I didn't buy them. That's just what they used. So, yeah, but they're good. They're good bearings. Yeah. As far as that goes, the car is manual steering, so I took the steering rack out and depowered it, cut the seal out and everything. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Otherwise, the car's, you know, I'd say it's stock. So
nice too.
yeah, they're clutch SL1 wheels, and they're wrapped in Toyo R888Rs. Yep. Yeah, it's been a really stressful process because I've put all this time and money into it, and you know, me doing this all in my garage. Obviously, I had a shop build the engine, but you know, it's definitely a really stressful thing because, you know, I could grenade this whole thing if anything is done wrong. And so far with the, you know, 400 miles that I put on the car, it's been holding up really well.
Please subscribe to Hyperspeed Media YouTube channel.